Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. I will show you the new updated method to install the KSign app and how to install IPA files without PC and without jailbreak on any iPhone or iPad running iOS 15, iOS 16, iOS 17, and even the latest, iOS 18.5. So let's get started. First open Safari, and then open Skibidi Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on Download Skibidi. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting, then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see Skibidi Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Now open the Skibidi Tech app. Now you will see different KSign links there. Simply hit on Get on any one of the KSign link, and then hit Install to install KSign app in your iOS device. Make sure to start with the first link. If one link don't work, then you can try other links to install KSign in your iOS device. Once KSign app is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, then open General, then open VPN and Device Management, then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let KSign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the KSign app will start working properly without any problems. Now open the Skibidi Tech app again. Then hit on the certificates. Now scroll down, and then hit on Get on the fourth link. Then hit on Open In, and then hit on Save to Files, and then hit Save to save the cert zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open your Files folder. Then hit on the Certs zip file, then you will have new Certs folder. Now open the KSign app again. Then hit on Settings. Then scroll down, and then hit on Certificates. Now hit on plus sign, then hit on Import KSign file. Now select the same name KSign file from the new cert folder in which name link you have used to install the KSign app. And now we are good to use KSign app. Now simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, then open KSign app. Then hit on plus sign, then hit on Import Files. Now select the IPA file you want to install. Now hit on your imported IPA file, then hit on Import to Library. Now hit on Library. Then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit Sign and Install, and then hit Start Signing. Then simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new here, because I post the latest iOS tools and updates every week. And let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I got you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.